Hello again YouTube, back again with another update video. This time it's from the Xiaomi MIUI 8 China developer ROM, finally available for the public. Now I have here the Xiaomi Redmi 1S, so let's take a look at how it's going to perform on MIUI 8. Right here, as you can see, Lockscreen wallpaper changes. It looks really nice. New clock design as well, and new shortcut to the camera as usual. You got your modes right in the bottom here. Nice new blur effect. Manual mode unfortunately only still provide white balance and ISO settings. Scene mode also pretty much the same as before. Now your filters is right down here as opposed to sliding with the previous version. As you can see right there, all the effects is still there. Pretty nice. Your front camera switch is right there. You can't really switch it by that gesture anymore, so yeah, it's now there. HDR now moved to the top right here. Very small button to press, also the flash, so you are going to sorry about that. You're going to misclick a lot of times right there. See, there you go. Very small button. I hope they fixed it in the later version. Video still the same. You can option to turn on your flashlight right there. Pretty simple, pretty straightforward. Now let's take a look at the home screen. A new supplied wallpaper with the same as Mi 5. Looks really nice. New clock design as the lock screen. Pretty good. The settings now change as well. Got a new design right there. You can also search the settings. Pretty nice. And let's take a look at what version it does it run. Yes, 4.4 KitKat. Still KitKat. They don't even bother, you know. Still on KitKat, which is a shame. But at least we still got a new feature, so I think that's alright. I don't know, to each or your own really. So let's take a look at new features with the MIUI 8 shortcut menu. It's the same as the assistive touch that you can find on iOS devices. Looks pretty nice, and you can move it by tap and hold, but the new gesture is that you can actually slide your finger to what button you want to press and it will do it for you, which is really nice. Alright, right here, your new recent apps screen. You got the music player right there, and also not many people actually knows about the page like this or the smaller one like this. So now the Xiaomi actually implemented this button, so you don't have to do that. Many people doesn't know about this, so yeah, that's a welcome new addition. In the shortcut menu, you also got your lock screen right here. Pretty nice to save up your button press right there, and also the screenshot menu. Looks pretty nice. Now it's right there. You can tap on it to extend it. If you got your setting page, it will extend it. I'm going to show it to you later. You can also edit it. Look at that. You can edit it right straight from your screenshot right there. You can rotate it as you wish. You can flip it like that. You can set what the ratio of the crop is. You can also doodle it. You got a pencil right there. You got your pen. You got your marker. You got your brush. Essentially, it's just bigger or smaller brushes like that. Mosaic, if you want to censor something, yeah, you just do that. There you go, it's censored right now. Pretty nice if you want a quick fix at your screenshots. Pretty nice. And also, let's see, in the settings, that feature, there you go, tap it and click extend. It's going to extend the screenshot like that. It's pretty nice if you wanted to show up much more. It goes to the bottom. It's pretty nice. Processing, and there you go. It's done like that. It's all on one page. Pretty welcome addition by Xiaomi. Very good. Also now new notification, as you can see right there. Looks really cool right now. You got your weather app right there, and you got your toggles right here. Looks pretty good. And also your brightness slider is right there. If you don't want this, you want to go back to the regular one, you can. You just do that and separate that. Going to restart the status bar, and there you go. This is the same as the previous MIUI 6, MIUI 7. If you like it this way, fair enough, you got your option, but for now I think combined mode is the best because you can access both of them at the same time. Let's take a look at the core apps right there. Gallery doesn't really change that much, but I think it's smoother now. Pretty nice. There's your gallery, you know, but sometimes there's a bug. It doesn't actually show the picture, and you have to zoom in for the photo to be pretty clear. I don't know why, but if you have this bug as well, let me know in the comments. You can also edit it the same as the screenshot, but it's much more feature rich because hey, it's powered by Camera 360. As you can see right there, you got your selection of filters. You got there your crop, the same settings as the one in the screenshot. Adjust, auto, sharpen, brightness, contrast, saturation, and vignetting. Stickers, you can actually add stickers as well. Now there you go. You can add it like this. You can make it smaller. You can rotate it. You can do that, or you can delete it like that. Pretty simple. Doodling, the same as well. Just pick your color right there as well. So you got your scrubber bar. Pretty nice. Make your photo editing a little bit better. That is the same. Now let's take a look at music. As you can see right there, because it's China developer ROM, there's a lot of ads, which is to be expected. It looks the same because it's Chinese developer ROM. You got your streaming function right there. You got your offline music that you have in the phone. The music playing app is the same as well. Doesn't really change that much. Okay, let's take a look at the phone app. Phone app looks a bit better right now. It looks more like the standard Lollipop look right here. You got your header bar right there. You can slide it to the right to get access to your contacts. Now there is also a lot of floating action buttons, as with the Android Lollipop and Marshmallow right now. So let's take a look at how does it look while calling. It's a bit different right now. There you go. It looks a bit better. If you press the speaker, it looks like that. Nice new animation, keyboard right there. You can mute it, yeah, etc. It's pretty much the same, but hey, looks nice. There you go. When it finishes, it just slides up like that. For the contacts, looks a lot colorful right now. You got your options right here. Really nice header. You can also edit the contacts right here, straightforward. Nice new colors. It's very colorful, which is really a welcome addition. Messaging looks a bit different as well, but well, the core functionality is still all there. It's not much different, but now you got your floating action button as well right here. It seems to be a new design feature right here. Browser, as you can see here, browser got a new header color, which strangely is blue, which is I don't know why it's that, and also tons of stuff right here. I don't know, because the usual global version won't actually have that, so there you go. It's a bit cluttered right now, I guess. And pull up the menu bar right here. You got various settings. You got your night mode as well. Makes it a bit easier to read at night. Doesn't blind you or anything like that. Just really nice. Calendar, nice new color right here. as opposed to the previous version, which is white. This now it's orange. Looks pretty good. Another floating action button right here, the same as usual. Explorer. Now it got tabs, so it's separated. Categories, storage for the folders. You got your analyze about how much storage you have left right there. You've got categories and your recent files. Okay, so now let's take a look at the tools folder right here. My account and mail pretty much the same. Updater, no change. MIUI 8 right now, as shown right there. No updates available, of course, for now. The clock doesn't really look that much different from the previous version, but now, and after every page, there is a floating action button, as you can see with the other apps that's been updated right there. See your lap button, your pause, and your reset, and plus button looks really nice there. There is also a settings button right at top right there. Nice welcome addition. Recorder looks a bit different right now from previously. It's black, now it's blue. Looks really colorful, I really like it. And there is your quality settings. Now I set it to high quality. You can mark it like that. You can, if you close it, you can get to see, like say, tap to return to recorder. Pretty nice. You can pause it, you can complete it. If you press complete, you rename recording, get the list, and you can play it like that. As you can see right there, you got your waveform. Looks pretty nice. To edit that out, you can play it from the point list right there. Pretty cool. There's also recognition, but I think that's for Chinese only. And also, new in MIUI 8 is that the volume now change. Look at that. It's reflect more to the real Android 5.0, which is really nice. It doesn't take up in the middle of the screen, which is quite distracting. Now it's way up top there. Really nice welcome addition right there. If you want to change the settings, you just press and hold the menu button. As you can see there, recording quality, there is high, standard, and low right there. Leave it to high. Compass looks the same as the previous version. As you can see, you got your level, you got a compass right there. If you tilt it like that, there you go. See if you can see it right there. Okay, downloads now looks pretty much the same, but also because it is again a Chinese developer ROM, there is a lot of stuff right there, rankings and popular apps that's in China. Next up is themes. As you can see there, for a split second it shows up the customize button, but for now, if you're online, it doesn't work. It requires you to be offline to do that. So yeah, previous MIUI 7 themes can also be applied. I have tried it out and it works brilliantly. Next up, FM radio looks the same as the previous version, so not much to show here. Calculator receives a big update now. You got a lot of features like the scientific. You got your converter right here, your currency converter. It takes a bit to load, as you can see right here. 700 yuan. Now it's $106. Pretty nice. Got your mortgage, pretty good. Taxes as well, helps you in the life as well. Your temperature, speed, time, mass. Really nice welcome addition. Scanner now does a lot of stuff other than the QR code. Now you can do the shopping, barcode for shop stuff. Translate, pretty nice, but unfortunately for now it's just like English, Chinese, Chinese, English, and everything to Chinese. Not very much, but it's pretty good for the first time. Study is to resolve any math problems, which is pretty good. Business card to capture your cards if you got any. Document, pretty nice. Now it can scan for documents, as you can see right there. It detects this border right here, and also it got OCR, which is on-screen recognition for the text, so it can't read it if you got it close. Pretty good and welcome addition. And the bottom right here, as you can see, Mi Wallet feedback assistant pretty much all only works for the Chinese user because currently we can't really use it. Notes receives a big upgrade as well. Now it looks like the Google Keep version, very colorful. Again, another floating action button. You can delete the note right there, or you can just do the 2-finger slide up like that, and now it's deleted. Pretty nice. You got your button right here to attach the pictures. You can also do the checkboxes right here. Cool thing, there's an undo button and redo button in case you do something wrong. There is also a new one, which is, look at that, new backgrounds. Very memo, so it doesn't look as boring as the solid colors like this. But now you got backgrounds like this. See, it looks more like a wallpaper right now, but you can add some words to it. Pretty good. You can also set reminder for your notes. Pretty cool. Weather looks according to the to what weather you're in. As now it's clear, so it's a bit purplish. In here it's a bit blue. Here sunny, it's green. Cloudy, it becomes a cyan color. Looks really good. As you can see right here, you forecast for 5 day. Looks a bit better than the older version. Okay, so now let's take a look at the security app right here. Doesn't look that much different, but as you can see on the top row, there is a, first of all, monthly report. I don't know what this is for because everything in Chinese, so hopefully we're going to see something in the global version. Now, the next one is app lock, so you can actually lock individual apps. So if you don't want people snooping around in your phone like that, you can do that. So gallery, oh, it doesn't work. There you go. I didn't set the gallery on, I think. There you go. Set app lock password. Pretty nice. So yeah, pretty good. You can also disable it like that. Oh, it's definitely there. I don't know why. Probably a little bit of bug. So yeah, just keep in mind, it's still in beta. Okay, so another one is settings. Now settings is here. Pretty nice. Cleaner doesn't look that much different. Let's stop that for now. Data usage doesn't look that much different as well. Block list still the same. Battery is now where we see the difference. You got your percentage of your battery. You can see here, found 3 battery issues. You can analyze battery usage, so you can actually know what is actually draining your battery, what actually use your battery the most, and you can actually optimize it and also cool down your phone. Apparently pretty good. Usage time from approximately from this 60%. You got the usage time right there. You got the temperature to 38 degrees Celsius and also battery capacity, but I don't know about that because it's only reading 1390 mAh, although this battery is pretty much original. I think it's a little bit of a bug. Battery saver right here, pretty nice if you got your phone low on battery. Your history graph now looks a bit different. Looks pretty nice. Now you got your percentage of your battery right here and your statistics. Okay, app battery saver, so you can save the battery by individual apps. As you can see right here, MIUI battery saver or no restriction, strict background apps or background activity. Really nice, really thorough in terms of the battery saving application right there. Fire scan looks the same. Permissions, auto start and everything looks the same. So for USB and permissions. Root access, again, because it's a beta, it's pretty easy to get root access. You just press this and then there is going to be a prompt. You're going to install it via recovery and then it's pretty much done automatically. Pretty good. So yeah, I think that about covers up about the MIUI 8 update on on Redmi 1S. So be sure to comment, like, and subscribe to see even more update videos on Redmi 1S or everything related to tech. So thanks guys for watching, and bye bye.